In this video, I'll show you how to transfer money from bank to Venmo. It is a straightforward and clearly described in the video, so follow all the steps. But before we dive into all of it, make sure you hit the subscribe button below and ring the notification bell so you never miss out on our latest content. Okay, linking your bank account to Venmo allows you to quickly and easily transfer money to your Venmo balance or send payments to friends and family. This is especially useful for splitting bills, reimbursing friends, or making payments to businesses. Venmo does not charge fees for standard bank transfers, making it a cost-effective way to move money. You can also send and receive funds without incurring additional charges. Money in your Venmo balance can be used for a lot of purposes such as making online purchase, paying for goods and services at participating businesses, and sending money to other Venmo users. Okay, so how do we transfer money from bank to Venmo? First off is you're gonna create your account in Venmo first, okay? So I'm here at venmo.com. So you might want to sign up. It's free anyway, or log into your mobile device and download the app. Once you've created your account, log in using your credentials, all right? And to be able to transfer money from bank to Venmo, it's only available if you have the Venmo debit card, all right? You have to take note, you must have the Venmo debit card first. If you do not have the Venmo card, it's okay because you can sign up for free anyway. Go here at venmo.com/about/debit card, right? Just see the terms and conditions and sign up for free. They will give you a verification process on how to get one, and they will send it to you, right? And once you've done that, once you've successfully created your Mastercard debit card on Venmo, you go here in help@venmo.com how to transfer money to a bank account. So first is add a bank account, which is your Venmo Mastercard, all right? Or other bank accounts, and then verify your bank account, and then step 3 is transfer funds to bank account. Once you have added your bank account and verified it, transfer funds to your bank account if you are using a computer. So number 1, enter or edit the amount you would like to transfer to your bank. Tap instant here for a small fee, or 1 to 2 or 3 business days for no fee. That's a lot, if you have like emergencies, you have to click the instant. Don't worry because the fee is very small. And select your preferred bank account or debit card, right? Then confirm your transfer details and tap the green transfer button. And that's how you transfer from bank to Venmo. Thank you so much for watching, guys, and I'll see you all in the next one.